If you are regularly adding products to your e-commerce catalog to then list on sales channels, it's worth creating some default settings. You're not locked into these settings, and they can be changed before you actually list, but they can make future listing creation quicker and easier. Defaults can be set from this card on the Channel Cloud home screen or via the Settings view in the Settings for your connected eBay sales channel. The default rules and settings you select will be used to create separate listing and offer values for your products on eBay based on the values in your online store catalog. First, you will set your default price rule. This gives you the option to have separate pricing values for your eBay listings based on the prices in your online store. First, choose your operator. The web price will keep your eBay prices the same as your online store prices. Dollar increase or decrease will change your eBay price based on the specified dollar value, while the percentage increase or decrease will change your eBay price by the specified percentage. The rounding option allows you to round your eBay prices up or down, or keep the same. For example, setting your eBay price as percentage increase with an input value of 10 and selecting round to the nearest 99 cents will set the default price for all Codisto managed listings as your online store price, plus 10%, rounded to the nearest 99 cents. So, a $30 product will be sold on eBay for $32.99. If you are planning on using a third-party eBay repricing tool, you can turn pricing sync off at any time from the Settings view. Next, you will need to set your default eBay quantity rule setting. This tells Codisto how much available stock to list on eBay based off your online store catalog inventory count. First, choose your operator. The stock level operator sets your eBay available inventory count to match your online store inventory count exactly. Fixed quantity lets you set a consistent available inventory count on eBay, which will not change even if products are sold through eBay, your online store, or other connected sales channels. Quantity buffer allows you to reserve stock for your online store by keeping the available inventory count on eBay lower than your online store inventory count by a specific value. For example, if you have 10 products in stock on your online store with a quantity buffer of 2, only 8 of those will be made available on eBay. A max quantity will set an upper limit for your product's available inventory counts on eBay.